episode of the McAvoy interviews. Tonight we will be talking about beekeeping. And lucky enough, we have a man who's been keeping bees for over 40 years, Mr. Reginald Braunbach. Good evening.
Good evening.
Tell me, what first interested you in the bee world, Mr. Braunbach?
Well, even when I was a child. I'm sorry? Shouldn't I have said that?
Oh, of course you should have. Sorry, when I say shh, it's just a nervous mannerism I've picked up. If I want you to be quiet, I will say shush. Do go on.
Yes, well, even when I was a child, I used to wander around. Oh, right, sorry. In the fields near my home, watching the bees fly from flower to flower. And taking note of the flowers they visited. Shush! Was that wrong?
Oh, I'm so sorry. Did I say shush? I meant shh. Do go on. It's most interesting.
And so, I've grown to love the little creatures. I mean, nature really has produced a little masterpiece in the life.
What? I'm so sorry. That too is a nervous mannerism. You see, I squawk whenever anyone mentions the word like whack! Even myself. Please, do go on.
As you know, the bees are divided into different categories. The queen bee and the worker bee. The queen bee, whose whose living expectancy is only 1 year. The worker bee, on the other hand, do you want me to stop?
You were just about to say life. Quack!
I wasn't.
I'm so sorry. Please, continue.
Well, as I was saying, the worker bee does have a much longer life.
Quack!
I'm sorry. It's just you got me rather rattled now. Well, this is how the bee community works. The queen bee stays in the hive. Was that because I said hive?
Pardon?
Did you make that sound because I said the word hive?
Oh, no.
Well, why did you make it then?
Well, I was practicing.
Practicing!
Practicing for a word you're bound to say very soon. Do go on.
Well, while the worker bees fly from flower to flower, collecting